Hello, I'm Rose.
And I'm John.
And we'd like to talk to you about our Valentine's weekend for couples, Nourish Your Relationship, which is coming up very soon. It's super exciting.
And we're really looking forward to it. We're going to give you the opportunity of taking time out from what we might think of as normal life, with the career, maybe with the childcare, with the housework, all of the stuff that distracts you from actually spending some quality time with your sacred other.
So what are you going to be nourishing your relationship with? We've got plenty of structures to give you and things to teach you, sweet exercises that you'll do only with your own partner. But basically, you're going to be feeding your relationship with the gift of presence, time together, exclusively together, heart to heart rather than shoulder to shoulder, deepening your range of connecting intimately, and that includes without words. So we're going to be giving you lots of useful things that you can take back into your daily life.
I've got no more words for that. That's great. Thank you, Rose.
Anyway, we are super excited for the weekend, and we really, really, really hope to see you there.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.